What's good, YouTube? Bored at work again, as you can see. So I'm gonna give y'all a taste of what is it called? Stud Loving to Lil Boosie, I Want Sex, or Twist to Get It Wet, whatever one you used to. It's not all the way finished though, but shit, I ain't got nothing else to do, so I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a taste of it. So. The strap is the machete, call me Jason, girl, I'm getting it. Call it oxycodone, cause you love the way you feeling it. Brought me up to bed, a home run the way I'm licking it. Your body is my ice cream cone, you love the way I'm licking it. I'm a true stud, so that mean I'm on the realest shit. So open up wide, cause it's time for me to take a sip. I ain't picky, baby girl, I kiss both sets of your lips. Your pussy like the water faucet, now it's time to make it drip. Hair ain't long for nothing, baby. Close your eyes and get a grip. Legs over my shoulders while I grab a hold of your hips. I ain't trying to brag, but the tongue is about to have you whipped. Your cat is like some kush. Now I'm feeling for another hit. Lay down for me, baby girl, and tell me, can you handle it? Going in strong is guaranteed, I'm about to damage it. Popping up your cherry, gonna prove that you ain't felt this shit. You scratching on my back and moaning, biting on your bottom lip. Up against the wall, girl, I'm about to eat it out the frame. Biting on your neck and I'm a genius when I give you brain. By the time I put it on you, you won't even walk the same. Like my name was Trey Songz, the neighbors gon' know my name. I'm a grown-ass stud, girl, you think this is a fucking game? You dealing with a freak, so we ain't gon' mention fucking names. The strap and the tongue is gon' put these niggas to fucking shame. Not only will I eat, but I gotta beat it out the frame. Putting moves on you, I got you spelling out S-T-U-D like Skittles taste the rainbow, cause it's what you get fucking with me. Got you so wet, where you making puddles in my sheets. I'm trying to eat it up until your body and your legs go weak. So open up your legs, shout it. Let me see that in the pink, your pussy like a book. I love to read it, baby, I'm a geek. Let's get prepared for plus, cause now it's time to make you leak. About to go down low, so open up and let me take a drink. We can take it slow while I can show to you my inner beast. Me kissing on your neck is guaranteed that I can raise the heat. You can have top and bottom, shawty, what's it gon' be? By the time I get through, you'll be spelling out L-O-V-E. Call me Michael Phelps, cause instead is trying to swim in deep. Let you think it's over, you roll over and you go to sleep. Me on top of you with the strap in, that's where I'ma be. I went in slow at first, so now it's time for me to show the beast. Oh yeah, and at the beginning, I fucked up, I ain't recording it again. But it's the strap is the machete, call me Jason, girl, I'm killing it. Got my words mixed up or whatever. And the only reason I wasn't looking at the screen is because I was reading off of the paper. Cause I ain't had shit memorized. Cause you know, I ain't even try to memorize this shit. But it's all me. You know what I'm saying? But get at me. Let me know what's good. Holla.